Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, May 28th, 2014. The U.S. stock market is closed. What a day. Hey, listen, this was a day of all days for us. You know, we have been through hell the last 8-10 weeks. It just has been so bad. And I even have people calling me wanting to know if I'm okay. Well, I assure you I've been okay, but this was the toughest drawdown that I have seen in a long time. I remember talking about, maybe 3-4 years. I haven't seen anything quite this bad, and it's really discouraging for anybody that's trying to work with my system to go through a drawdown like this, and I know it. It's also tough on me. But the difference being is that I've been through this enough to know this thing can't just keep going down. It turns around, and when it turns around, I've seen this happen so many times. When it turns around, it just turns around in a dime, and you make most of the money back in just a few days, and that's what's happened. Last 3 days, people, we've made over $75,000. That's right. In 3 days, over $75,000, and it's just makes your head spin. But anyway, today was kind of like the grand finale of that 3-day run. We closed out $36,000, over $36,000 in closeout trades. Have just a little bit of negative, $476 in open trade equity, but we can handle negative $476 when we have closed out almost $37,000 in closeout trades. Just a great day. We had 3 markets that were just unbelievable today. One of these was in CCIH, that's a China something. Anyway, we're up over $8,000 with that. We had ISIS Pharmaceuticals. We closed out with over $13,000 with that. And then we had another one, Prana Biotechnologies, and we were up over $12,000 with Prana Biotechnologies. 3 just spectacular days. It's been so long since I've seen anything like that. I hardly know what to do about it. But anyway, it does look like we may be out of this horrible drawdown, and we should see things a whole lot better from now on. And what I'm really pleased about, we did this great day today when the Dow was down. Dow was never positive all day. It ended up closing down 42 points. Wasn't a good day for the Dow, but it was a spectacular day for us, and that's what I like to say. We get into these markets, we do good market selection, we have good days even when the rest of the market is kind of going south. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and I discussed with you yesterday this beautiful 4 or 5 day run up here to the top, and of course that's what put us in these great positions that we had today. But we came in today, and as you can see, this was a negative market. Today sold off at the beginning, came back. I don't think it ever got positive there, but we were pretty close to positive. And then we have this sell-off on the last bar, and that might normally kind of be of concern to me. I don't know what to make of that. I mean, maybe the market is going to go down tomorrow, but after 4 or 5 days of up, Robert's Rule of 4, and the market was due for a pullback. I kind of think it's probably going to go up tomorrow, but we'll have to wait and see. Anyway, I'll just show you a couple of the beautiful trades we had. This first one is in CCIH, that's China Cash International Holdings, and we had bought. This is like a 3-day trade for us, and we had bought this 2 days ago on a pop-up here. Didn't do anything the first day, but then it had a nice, beautiful rally yesterday, And then we follow it with a second rally here. And, you know, my strategy of staying with trades an extra day when they show a lot of strength, I think this is evidence that this really works out, because we added a lot of money to this trade today, and we ended up closing, you know, pretty close to $9,000 on CCIH. And I'll show you another one here. We have not had a trade like this in quite a long time. So this was a beauty, and this was a 4-day trade. And sometimes we've had trouble with 4 days trades. It's like 4 days is just like 1 day too much. But anyway, we got into this thing 4 days ago and didn't do anything the first day, but then the second day, nice gap up and some move. Yesterday, huge gap up on this. And so we get into the 4th day, and it starts out negative, and I thought, oh, here we go again. You know, we should have gotten out yesterday. But we get this nice move up here, and we're basically getting out at the top of this move. I mean, this is just really good. This is, if I didn't say, this is ISIS Pharmaceuticals. But anyway, we took out close to $14,000 in ISIS Pharmaceuticals, and we have not had a trade like that in a long time. So that really, really felt good. Anyway, great day. Trader Bob is happy. And I'm signing out, and I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.